And welcome to Rediscovered Vintage's Thrifting Thursday video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Allison and I am the owner of Rediscovered Vintage, and my goal is to go out and find those interesting one-of-a-kind home decor items, either farmhouse, vintage, cottage, French country, kind of in that arena, and share them with you. And then all of the items I will most of the items, some I end up keeping for myself, but most of the items I will sell on my website or my Etsy shop. And a lot of them are reimagined, given a new life, either by giving a new coat of paint. Some of them are just fixed up because they're just really cool the way they are. So I try to share with you some of my thoughts and ideas, and I love to hear what your ideas and thoughts are too. My ultimate goal is to find a good home for all of these pieces so they don't end up in the landfill. So I'm glad you are joining me on this journey, and what I'm going to try to do is each week share a few of the flips that I've done and then move into some of the new thrifted items I found and tell you a little bit about my ideas for them or how you could use them in your home decor. So let's get started. This week it's all about fall still, so I had a lot of fun doing this basket. I picked this up at a old apple orchard. They were just getting rid of them, and I thought, oh, what just a beautiful basket. And so I just added some farmers market stencils on the front. Well, actually they're stamps with black paint, and I just love how this turned out. What do you guys think? I thought it would just be beautiful, filled with pumpkins or gourds on that. And then I thrifted these. These were just orange wooden pumpkins. They had definitely seen their better days. And I just gave them a coat of white paint and, black and white paint, and distressed them back. So even some of the orange is kind of showing through. So it gave them just a beautiful, I thought, vintage farmhouse look. And then my last flip is I took an old, and I kind of left it orange in the middle so you could still use it for candy. It's food safe inside, and it reminds you of like kind of those vintage orange pumpkins. But I gave the outside a facelift. I added some clay molds, and then I painted it white and white waxed it and distressed it. And I just thought it turned out really beautiful. This is my last one. I did sell two, and I found another one, so I did one more, and I'll be putting that up in my shop. But I just thought this just turned out really neat. All right, so let's get to the thrift haul. So I found some really interesting things today, and you'll see kind of a theme. Everything's metal today. There are just so many cool silver, copper, brass things out there that I was really excited to find all these different items. So this one was really cool. This is an old butler's brush and tray, and I just thought this would be just a neat piece set out as a decor piece, just how it is. A neat talking point, especially if you have like a dining room with a hutch that you could display this in. So I just really thought this was such a unique piece. I hadn't really seen any of these for a long time, so I thought this was really just a nice piece. And then I found another copper mold, and this one is the tin lined. These are just beautiful. They're super heavy. They're not like the copper molds that you see now. Definitely has some vintage wear on it, but I really like this, and this is kind of the Norwegian Swedish kind of theme. So if you have like kind of one of those simple cottage style farmhouse homes, I thought this would just be beautiful. And then I found these, and I know a lot of people do tiered trays. I thought these were so beautiful. They're just these little copper pitcher, and I'm not even sure what that's supposed to be, but I just thought these were such neat little pieces. They would look perfect on a tiered tray. You could even put some floral in them, but I just thought these were just really, really neat. And then I came across a bunch of these silver pots. I see them every once in a while. I don't pick them up a lot, but I saw someone do these up for Christmas and they put trees in them, and I thought they looked so beautiful. So I picked this one up. This one has beautiful design. And then I also picked up this one. It's a little taller, still has a lot of the nice ornate design on it. But I think I'm gonna do these up for Christmas and put, I might just leave them as they are with the patina on them, because they are beautiful just like that, and just put some Christmas tree in it, and I think that will look really beautiful. So those are my kind of plans for those. And then I found this nice, I don't even know what you call it. It's not really a candle holder, but what I'm envisioning on it is like one of the green orbs, and I think I like the patina just on the as it is on this. So just a nice kind of green blue patina. It is a metal piece. I thought this, even a Christmas tree, I'm thinking Christmas right now, but that would look really beautiful as well. And then I found this brass pitcher. And again, I love brass and copper. I think they look just beautiful in any decor, and they're just nice neutral pieces, so you can put things in them. You can use them as accent colors. So I just thought this was just a nice, simple brass pitcher. And then look at this guy, little copper pot. I thought this was really unique. I think it must have had a handle at one point, but I don't know if it really needs it or not. But I just thought this again was just another really neat little vintage copper piece. And then I thought these were very beautiful. They're old mirrors, and I found two of them, which I'm guessing they must have probably come from the same person's home. But I was actually at a bed and breakfast, and I saw this done in a bathroom there, and they had all different of these mirrors kind of flipped every which way. Some were out like this, some were, you know, kind of just up and down like that. But they had maybe like 50 of them, and it really made for a cool display. So I snatched these up because I thought if anyone is doing any decorating with these, this would be a really neat addition. And each of them have, like, I don't know if you can see, but this has like ornate flowers on it. This one has someone's initials on it. So I just thought these were really beautiful pieces. And then I picked up this little silver tray because I love cloches, and I actually had this cloche top. I was waiting for a base to go with it, and so I thought, look at that, it's like the perfect match. So I thought this would be just a perfect set. Then I have a few little things, but look at these. I thought these were just so cute, like the little rake and the little pitchfork and the shovel, just to stick in, like even something, where did that go? Even like to stick in, like if you had like a little container like this to stick in there as like a decor. I just fell in love with them. So hopefully those will find a good home. I just thought they were so cute. I'm kind of tempted to keep them, so we'll see. And then I found an old cowbell, and I thought this was just such a neat piece. I like these old rustic, rusty patina bells. I might use this in a Christmas decoration. They make just really nice accent pieces. If you're doing greenery and stuff, it kind of catches the eye. So this is, I just love this piece. And then another little metal basket, and I thought this was just so neat, the weave on it, and I like the handle, and just a really neat little piece. And then I found this really pretty tray, and I was trying to see, it almost makes me think of pumpkins on the side. I'm not sure that is what it is, but I just like the color on it. It's hammered, has beautiful detail on the outside. It would be great for like a soap dish, or you could display little like mini pumpkins, or I don't know, I'm sure there's probably a ton of uses for that. Then I've got a couple more items, but if you are enjoying what you're watching today, if you can make sure to click the subscribe button and also ring the bell, because that will let you know of any new content that I have released. I try to do one video every week, so of my thrift hauls and finds. I might try to do 2 eventually, but I'm trying to get into the fall Christmas season right now, and my schedule is getting really full. But do also follow me on social media, because I am trying to push out smaller DIY clips, some of my thrift haul shopping adventures and different things like that. So those are all listed below, and you can follow me on those as well. And again, I really thank everybody for subscribing and joining this channel. It's really helping my small business. It makes it easier for me to bring these great products and ideas to you. And I appreciate all the comments and feedback. That's been great as well. So thank you very much for subscribing and joining. And I'll get on to my last 2 items here. This last one is a copper bowl, again with a cute little handle. I just thought some of these are just awesome vintage pieces. I love the metals, again, very neutral, perfect for decor. And this is the last piece. Look at that. I thought this was such a cool metal basket. I think there are so many things you could do with it, but it's just unique. And that is one of the things that I feel is really important in your home decor, that it tells your story. So it is about who you are and what you like. I think beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? So everybody has different interests, different likes, different styles, and I think that's great. An eclectic home, or a home that you go into and you really get to know the person through how they decorate, that is my kind of home. So I hope you again enjoyed the video. I love to hear your comments. Tell me what you think of the items, what you would do with them. That always helps me even get ideas and kind of get a feel for what you are interested in as well. And I did forget 2 other items. They're both the same, but lanterns. Look at these. I am thinking Christmas with some candles and white flocked little miniature trees inside of them. How beautiful are those? So I do love lanterns. I pick them up whenever I see them. So that's it. I promise that's all I have today. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next week, and have a great weekend.